If you're a beginner when it comes to your communication skills, you probably look around at celebrities, people on TV, superstars in your own industry and think, wow, they're just so composed, they're so compelling, confident. They must be just natural-born communicators. Well, I'm here to tell you they aren't. Let me tell you a little secret. Everybody is scared and nervous when it comes to communication, giving speeches, presentations, going on TV interviews. I've seen people you think of as really advanced and great, and their hands are shaking beforehand. I personally train presidents of countries, leaders, top CEOs, and all of them confess to me that they think they're not really very good speakers, they weren't a natural, it's harder for them than other people. Everyone thinks they're uniquely bad at this, and most people are scared and nervous and uncomfortable. So if you're uncomfortable with the idea of giving a speech, or for that matter, just raising your hand to ask a question at a staff meeting, it means you're completely normal. The reason you're uncomfortable is no one's trained you on your communication skills. Sure, you may have had training on how to write. You can write an email, a resume, a memo, but you haven't been trained on the most important communication skills, the spoken communication skills. That's what this course is all about. And I just want you to realize you're in good company. Don't feel bad. Work with me, and we're going to get you to the point where you're really comfortable and confident and relaxed anytime you have to use your communication skills, because you're going to know that people are going to understand you and not be confused. Oh, what's this person saying? They're going to understand you, and they're going to remember your messages. And ultimately, that means they're much more likely to take action and to do what you want. That's really what communication is all about. And that's what the communication skill is needed for, to get people to take the actions you want.